I came in here for two things. And look at me. Look at my basket. I found some candy corn nails. Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. And no, this is not a tutorial. We are shopping at Walmart. And honey, look at these nails. Y'all gotta stay tuned into this video and see what Walmart has in stock. New season, new hair color. I think burgundy is my color though. It just goes so well with brown skin. And shout out my face card for never declining. It just refuses to decline. Like okay, let's go to Walmart, y'all. So immediately as soon as you get into Walmart, they got the fall vibes going. Okay, the pumpkins are out, the scary ghosts are out, the Halloween candy is out, the skeletons are out and creeping. Fall and Halloween is here and I am so happy because it is my favorite time of year. And look what I found. I found some candy corn nails. I've been looking for candy corn nails and this was the last one. It was hanging right here, so these were meant for me to have. Okay, so we at another nail section and this sign says $5.97, so let's check out all these nails that they got for $5.97. Yes, we about to pick our potion, Walmart. So they had these real cute LA Colors long coffin shaped nails. They're like a matte black with a glitter accent nail, and I'm like, okay, these are so cute. And then next we have these LA Color nails, also long coffin shape. They have an orange nail with like these rhinestones going down the center, super cute. And then this set was lime green and black with like little stars and rhinestones on them. I love those as well. And then I saw these ones. They're like black and gold with moons on them. And LA Colors is doing it with these nails, okay? They also had these red and black spider nails, very much giving Spider-Man vibes. But they're cute. I see where they was going with it. And then these LA Colors nails glow in the dark, and I love the lime green and black flames at the tip with that one diamond in the center. Real cute. LA Colors is showing out with these nails. Look at these long coffin shaped red matte nails. Oh my goodness, so cute. And I love how LA Colors nails always come with the glue and everything included. Super convenient. And LA Colors nail glue is bomb. And that was some matte black long coffin shape ones, and then they also have matte gray long coffin shape, which I thought was really cute. I've never done gray nails before, but okay, LA Colors. So then I got into these kiss nails. They had a separate section for the kiss nails. These are like some shiny black stiletto tips, which are really cute. I'm getting into stiletto nails. These are Kiss Voguish Fantasy Glow in the Dark limited edition nails with the cute Halloween designs on them. And these come with 28 nails in the pack. And so all the nails in this Kiss nails section are only $7.97, which is not bad. Kiss nails are always really good quality nails, so I would definitely pay that. So this is another Kiss Voguish Fantasy Glow in the Dark set. These have cute little candy corns and bats and pumpkins on them, and they have like a glittery purple tip on them, which is really cute. And then all of these are Impress press-on nails, and the designs, I was like, okay, this shape is not really my shape. I'm more of a long square or coffin shape, but these are really cute too for the girlies that like a shorter nail. This set is definitely giving fall and Halloween vibes with the orange, with the scary pumpkin face and the pumpkins and the orange dripping. They're like a short coffin shape, which is cute. And these glow in the dark as well, and it have like a scary face on them with like a glittery accent nail as well. Real cool for Halloween. And then this set is also a glow in the dark set with the black French tip, and then some of them are black with like a silver spider web on them. And then you also have your silver glittery accent nails in there. This set was definitely giving fall vibes with the color and then the pumpkins. I love, love, love. This set had like a light pink tip and like a darker pink tip with stars on them and ghosts and bats and moons, which I thought was really cute. And they are almond shaped. And these are like a short square shape, and they had this cute cat with like the bling on there, and they're like a midnight blue color with the blue sparkly accent nails. Loved those. And then this next section, these were only $5.28, and they are from the Drop Dead Gorgeous limited edition collection. And all of these nails are so cute. I mean, from the patterns, the length of them, the shape of them, they are very unique, and I've never heard of this brand before. But I was like, let me check this section out. Look at these stiletto nails, okay? This set was very different. The tip of them were gold, and it had like this heart, and they were black. Very much giving spooky Halloween vibes. And this set, it's like a long almond shape, and they had a pink tip on them with like the black stitches going around it, which is giving Halloween as well. And then these are red, and they're kind of like a long almond shape as well with like the drips on them, which is a unique set. And then these are like gray with like little ghosts and pumpkins on them. And they also had lashes for $2.98, and then some were like $6.48. And I'm not a lash girl, but I was like, okay, lashes. Walmart literally has everything for Halloween, nails, decor, everything. How cute are these tumblers for only $6.94? Really cute. These normally are like $12 and up. And they have that cute silver color. They have this really cute like metallic colorful one, and they're tall, they're not little either. And of course I had to get me a pink one because I'm just that pink type of girl, you know what I'm saying? Definitely picked out this for my daughter. It's a Halloween tumbler, but it also has 3 compartments at the top for you to put snacks in. How cute is that? Look how cute this spider bowl is. It's only $6, and it's good for like movie night. You know, put your popcorn in it, or even if you like giving away candy on Halloween or something, it's a cute bowl to have your candy sitting in. How cute is that? And then they have the fall decor plates, bowls, and cups, and they're all only 50 cents each. So now I'm back towards the front of the store at the Halloween section, and of course I ran right into some more press-on nails. And these are Halloween nails, and they're more on the lower quality side, but they're still cute. Only $3.98. This set was really cute and festive for Halloween, as well as this black and green set. Only $2.98. Almond shade with the slime dripping. Really cute. This set was really cute as well. I love the colors of this one. This set was really cute for only $2.98. It's called Just a Little Baddie. And they're a short square shade with pink and like spiders and spider webs on them. This set is called Fabulous, which is crazy but funny, for $3.98. This set is called Glowing Baddie. So these must glow in the dark. And it says self-adhesive, so I think either you need to buy your own glue or either they come with like the sticky tabs. This set gives Ouija board vibes, and it has like a chain hanging on them, which is really cool. And this set is cute too, with the tie-dye colors and the black drips for only $2.98. And then I looked at a couple shirts. This is my Halloween costume. I like that shirt. It's only $6.98. And this shirt is hilarious. It says, "I got your back," and he literally has the back of the other skeleton as he lays on the floor in pieces. So then I pretty much continued to walk around and look at all the Halloween clothes and shirts and hoodies and sweaters. And this is pretty much the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed everything that I showed you guys that Walmart has in this video. Make sure you check out your local Walmart and see if they have these items that they have in my local Walmart store. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. And if you are viewing this video and you haven't subscribed, what you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.